Yeah, in today's class, I am going to discuss about a very important device, that is transformer. Transformer. We have come across in day-to-day life. Transformers are of two types: step-up transformer and step-down transformer. A transformer is basically a machine, a device which converts high voltage to low voltage and low voltage to high voltage. Whenever we step up or step down AC voltage, we use transformer. Here also there is a transformer. This converts 220 AC volt into 12 AC volt. This is a small transformer. The big transformers are used near the villages to convert the 11,000 kilovolt into 220 volt. That is step down transformer. But near the generating station, there is one more transformer used, step up transformer, that converts 220 volt into 11,000 kilovolt. Okay, so transformer is basically a device which converts one AC voltage into another AC voltage, high AC to low AC or low AC to high AC voltage. Okay, what is the principle of transformer? Transformer works on the principle of mutual inductance principle. It works on mutual inductance. What is the construction of transformer? Construction. Mutual inductance means what? Whenever an electric current changes in one coil, an induced current is produced in the neighboring coil. We learned this in Faraday's one of the experiment. When electric current changes in one coil, an induced current is produced in the neighboring coil due to change in magnetic flux. That idea we call it is mutual inductance. So, transformer contains two coils, primary coil and a secondary coil. This is a primary coil and this is a secondary coil and this is the core. Both the coils can be wrapped on one another. Primary coil is winding on the secondary coil or secondary coil is winding on the primary coil. Both can be wrapped on each other like this here. Okay, but there is a core, iron core is used. This is called the primary coil, P1, P2. This S1, S2 is called secondary coil. If the number of turns in the secondary coil is more than the number of turns in the primary coil, such a transformer is known as step-down transformer. Step-down transformer. What is step-up transformer? In step-down transformer, low AC voltage is converted into high AC voltage. When AC voltage is low, current will be high. When AC voltage is high, current will be less. So here it converts low AC voltage into high AC voltage. If the number of turns in the primary coil is more, this is primary coil and this is secondary coil and this is the iron core. If the number of turns in the primary coil is more than the number of turns in the secondary coil, then such a transformer is called step-up transformer. step-up transformer, this is step-down transformer. So transformer is used to convert a low AC voltage into high AC voltage or a high AC voltage into low AC voltage. Near the village, we use step-down transformer because when 11,000 volt reaches the village, if such a high voltage is applied, then all the tube lights, bulbs, electric machines, they get fused. So there is a need of conversion from 11,000 kilovolt from 11,000 volt into 220 volt. 11 kilovolt. 11 kilovolt means 11,000 volt. Okay. Yeah. Then here is a primary coil and there is a secondary coil. Whenever voltage is applied, here voltage is applied. Alternating voltage is applied across the primary coil. There is an induced EMF in the primary coil due to self-inductance. Okay. So that applied voltage is equal to induced voltage. According to Faraday's law, the induced voltage is equal to rate of change of magnetic flux. I have it here. What is Vp? The alternating voltage applied across the primary coil, say 220 volt. This is the applied voltage. And what is the Ep? Induced voltage in the primary coil. Whenever voltage applied across the primary coil changes, there is an induced voltage in the primary coil due to self-inductance. And due to change in magnetic flux with the secondary coil, there is an induced EMF in the secondary coil. That's according to mutual inductance. When current changes in the primary coil, there is an induced current in the secondary coil. So this is NP means what here? The induced voltage in the primary coil, that is back EMF, depends on the number of turns in the primary coil and it also depends on the rate of change of magnetic flux. Similarly, the induced voltage in the secondary coil, is equal to the voltage, the output voltage taken across the secondary coil. Here is Vs, here is Es. Es means induced voltage in the secondary coil due to change in magnet. Vs means the voltage that is taken, which is equal to minus Ns into d phi by dt. This negative sign indicates that the direction of the induced EMF is such a way that it always opposes the change in magnetic flux. This is rate of change of magnetic flux. So if you divide this, what you get is Vp by Vs is equal to Ep by Es is equal to Np by Ns. So this Np by Ns ratio is called transformer ratio. It is called transformer ratio K. If this K is more than 1, that means Np is greater than Ns. Np is greater than Ns. Such a transformer is called step-up transformer. If K is less than 1, then Np will be less than Ns. That means the number of turns in the primary coil is lesser than the number of turns in the secondary coil. Then that transformer is known as step-down transformer. Okay. Now, as we know that in an ideal transformer, the input power is equal to output power. Input power is equal to output power. What is power? That power is known as current into voltage. Input power is equal to output power. So we learned that IP by IS is equal to Vs divided by Vp. From this, in transformer, voltage and current are inversely proportional. In transformer, voltage and current are inversely proportional. Whenever there is a high voltage, there is a less current. Okay, when we send the electric power to a long distance, we send it through a high voltage, 11,000 volt. When it is 11,000 volt, current will be less. When the current is less, the loss of power is less, because the loss of power, it depends on current. It depends on current. So whenever we are sending high voltage, 11,000 volt, that we call it is hot line. When there is a high voltage, there is a less current. When there is a less current, there is less loss of power. Okay? But near the village or near the town, again we need to install one transformer, step down transformer. Okay, so IP is inversely proportional to Vp. Fine. Then coming to efficiency of transformer. Efficiency of transformer. That is the output power divided by input power. The output power divided by the input power into 100. This is the efficiency of transformer. What are the losses of transformer? What are the losses of electric power in transformer? Loss due to leakage of magnetic flux. Here, if one is winding over the other, then there is no loss of electric power due to leakage of magnetic flux. Suppose if the configuration is like this, these are not the iron core. If one coil is here, the another coil is here, then here there is a gap between the primary coil and the secondary coil. So there is a leakage of magnetic flux here. So due to leakage of magnetic flux in this gap, there is a loss of electric power. Therefore, in order to avoid that loss, we wind one coil over the other coil. So this is good configuration. The primary coil is winding on the secondary coil. Then the loss of electric power in transformer is due to eddy currents. So in order to avoid the production of eddy currents due to continuous change in magnetic flux, we use laminated core. Laminated core is used in transformer to prevent the loss of electric power due to eddy currents. And another one is, here lot of windings are used, lot of resistance is there. So there is a loss of electric power due to resistance. If the resistance is high, then the wire gets heated and there is a loss of power. So in order to prevent, in order to avoid that loss of electric power due to resistance, we use thick copper wire, because resistance is inversely proportional to area. Larger the area, lesser the resistance. If the resistance is less, then loss of power will be less. So this is all about transformer. Thank you.